Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to discuss about hydrogen, the very first element of our periodic table. This chapter is under ICSE standard 9 syllabus. In previous video we have discussed the dual nature of hydrogen, and we have discussed that it has a similarity with alkali metals as well as it has similarity with halides. So now here we are going to discuss in depth that how it is showing the similar character with alkali metals and with halogens. So first we will see the configuration. In alkali metals we are going to compare hydrogen with lithium and sodium, and in halogens we are going to compare hydrogen with fluorine and chlorine. So and in turn we are going to prove that it has a similar character or it has a similar chemical properties like lithium and sodium with alkali metals and like fluorine and chlorine in halogens. So first we will see the configuration. Hydrogen has one electron in its orbital. So it has outermost shell, only one outermost shell, and it has only one electron. So this is similar with lithium because lithium also has one electron in its outermost shell. So here we can say that it has the same valence electron like lithium and sodium. And we know that whatever elements are having the same valence electron will show the same chemical properties because they are going to form the same ions. So here hydrogen has one electron in its valence shell, lithium also has one electron in its valence shell, and sodium also has one electron in its valence shell. Now character. So hydrogen will lose one electron and will form hydrogen ion 1 plus. So it will lose only one electron and form H plus ion. And lithium also will lose one electron and form lithium ion. Also we can say this for sodium and potassium. So ion formation is similar with alkali metals. Then reaction. It has strong affinity for non-metals because it is forming H plus ion. Similar to alkali metals, it has strong affinity towards non-metal. Just like sodium, how sodium is forming compound with oxygen, sulfur and chlorine. Like sodium oxide, sodium sulfide and sodium chloride, hydrogen will also form compound like water. H2S hydrogen sulfide and hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride gas. So it has similarity with sodium, that it is making the same compound like sodium. Then it also acts as reducing agent. When copper oxide will be there, when copper oxide react with hydrogen, it will give us copper metal and water. So here the copper is being reduced because earlier the oxygen was there with copper, now it is alone. So removal of oxygen is termed as reduction. So here copper is being reduced. The similar reaction we can see with sodium also. Sodium also can reduce copper, and here copper oxide has become copper. So here we have seen the similarity of hydrogen with alkali metals. Now when we are comparing hydrogen with halogens, that is 7A group elements, first we will see the configuration. That hydrogen has one electron in its valence shell. So when it is gaining one electron, then it will form electronic configuration like He, a noble gas, helium, and it will become like helium. So it will be having two electrons in its valence shell. Just like fluorine, that fluorine will become stable by gaining one electron, and it will follow the neon's electronic configuration, that is 2,8. So here it shows the similarity with fluorine. When it is gaining one electron. Here whatever we have discussed is by losing one electron, and here whatever we are discussing is by gaining one electron. So here the character shows that when one electron it is gaining, it will become H minus, just like fluorine, that how fluorine will gain one electron and will become F minus. Similarly, the chlorine will also gain one electron and form chloride ion, and bromine will also gain one electron and form bromide ion. Now compound formation. Here hydrogen has combined with sodium. Similarly, here chlorine has combined with sodium. So it shows the same character as chloride ion. Here chloride ion has combined with carbon and formed CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Similarly, hydrogen has also combined with carbon and formed methane, CH4. So it shows similar character like chlorine. Here we have compared hydrogen with chloride ion. Now atomicity. So hydrogen will form a covalent bond with another hydrogen and it will give us hydrogen molecule. And hydrogen's atomicity is 2. It is same as how halides are forming molecules. Cl, Cl covalent bond, and it will also become Cl2, Br2 and I2. So halide's atomicity is also 2 and hydrogen's atomicity is also 2. So hydrogen is showing similar character in atomicity with halides. Whenever you are discussing this, you have to keep in mind that here we are discussing when hydrogen is losing one electron, and whenever we are discussing about halogens, hydrogen is gaining one electron. Going forward, we are going to discuss the character of hydrogen with respect to its reactivity and how it is reacting with metal as well as with non-metal. So don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.